Welcome to a video des ventilateurs du Québec. This is going to be an unboxing video of this Hunter Bayport 107 centimeters from 2002. This one happens to be in the relatively uncommon finish of bright brass. Bayport are very common in white, and occasionally you can see them also in antique brass, but they also exist in bright brass, white and bright brass, and brushed nickel, and those three finishes are rather uncommon. We can see the serial number here. The blades reverse from medium oak to rosewood. The main image here shows rosewood. Around this period in the late 90s, early 2000s, possibly even till the mid 2000s, Hunters were made in Thailand. I'm not sure if all of them were made there around that period, but many of them were. So 1998 would be probably the year that this model came out. The back of the box and the other side. That's the oak side, rosewood, the switch housing, balancing kit with all the screws, the 4 blade arms, the canopy with the mounting bracket, and then the motors here. And the last piece, the extension pole. Here it is installed with the medium oak side of the blades showing down. Here it is on low speed. The RPM estimation in Hunter catalogs for this model often seem a little bit off to me. They mention like 100 RPMs, but I would say probably not more than 90 RPMs here for this specific one at least. Here's a medium speed. It's already pushing a lot of air on medium. As you can see, there's an important difference between the low and the medium speed. Medium speed is significantly faster here. Hunter's catalog suggests 170 RPMs for medium speed. That seems about right. I would have probably said slightly slower, like 160, but it's pretty close here. Here's high speed. It's definitely what we would call being showered with air. Very impressive airflow and RPMs. Hunter's catalog suggests only 235 RPMs for high speed. I don't know what's going on here. It's obviously much faster than this. I would say probably 280 RPMs, maybe even a little bit more. I don't know if it's just I have a slightly different version that's a little bit more powerful here. But it's obviously more than 235 RPMs. Very impressive performance for a fan that was originally quite budget friendly back in the days. Both in terms of air movement and RPMs, if we want to compare it with something of the same size, it's close to what a Casablanca Ventura delivers. Yes, it's comparable to that. Okay, maybe not exactly like a Casablanca Ventura, but it's pretty close. So very impressive air movement here. It's definitely a very underrated fan. So right now air is bouncing everywhere around the room. There's air coming off of the floor. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video of this Hunter Bayport, 107 centimeters in bright brass finish, new in the box from 2002. Et voilà, j'espère que la vidéo de ce Hunter Bayport 107 cm fini Laiton Poli, neuf avec la boîte d'origine de 2002 vous a plu. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.